I am new to the game when it comes to KitchenAid mixers. I recently made the decision to get mine off of QVC, and it comes with a whole bunch of attachments, and I'm able to make payments on it. So I got mine in the mail, and I had no idea how much of a learning curve it was going to be to use this thing, even though it's so easy and it was, it's already put together. There were a few things that I didn't know what to do about. So the first thing was the bowl. When I put the bowl on and I first used it, it got stuck and it was next to impossible to get it back off. And I realized what you need to do is have the handle where it's facing this direction and then turn it to the left slightly until it locks into position, and then turn it back and then take it off. I had turned it to the right and it had gotten jammed in here. So don't turn yours to the right. Make sure you turn it to the left. So that was the first thing I learned. The second thing that I learned after getting a KitchenAid stand mixer was this part here. Right now it's locked into position. So no matter how much I move it, it's not going to move. But when I first got it, it had like some leeway. So when I went to go make some dough, this thing was popping up and down like this, like crazy. And I'm like, okay, this isn't working right. And I was about to send it back. But if you notice right here, there's a bolt, okay? And you have to adjust this. So left makes this part right here, go up. So that way your attachments don't completely hit the bottom. But you don't want it too high where it's not working either. So one way to tell if you have it correctly is it should, when you lock it in position, it should be locked. So if you have any wiggle room, this is not correct, okay? The other thing is it depends on the attachment. So I see some people using the penny method, but it depends on the attachment. So you're going to want to make sure you use one of these attachments. I'll show you. Make sure you use one of these paddle attachments, because I tried using the dough hook to test it and it was not working correctly. This was still moving up and down. But once I used one of these attachments instead, I was able to get this in the correct position, and now everything locks in position. And when I go to make dough, I don't have that problem. So I hope for anybody who is new to the KitchenAid mixer community, I hope that these little tips help you guys out. I know it was a learning curve for me, and I was like so frustrated because I was so excited to be able to use my first mixer, but I kept saying, you know what? Maybe it's something you're doing.